Izinsolo zokufumbathiswa ziyamaniswa ngesikhathi kodwa esakhulumela iNC kuzwelonke kanti wanindeka ophenyweni lwekhomishana eyayiphenya ngezinsolo zokuqhwagwa kwamandla ombuso ngo-2021 kusolakala ukuthi wafumbathiswa imali ngusomabhizinisi inkampani yakhe yahlomula ngemali engu-400 wezigidi zamarandi kuhulumeni. Ummeli womsolwa oqala utshele inkantolo ukuthi umsolwa uyavuma ukuthi wamnika ukodwa imali kepha yayingahlangene nodaba lwamathenda.
I admit that I openly gave money to my co-accused, who is a close friend of mine, when he was not a government official and when he was the spokesperson of the ANC. I have made a detailed warning statement in the matter where I request that the investigating officer take statements from key individuals.
Kuqhubeka isicelo sebheyili, ummeli kaKodwa uZola Majavu uthe ikhasimende lakhe lizohambisana nayo yonke imigomo nemibandela yebheyili.
He does not locate himself above the law. He does not. It is unfortunate because he's a politician, which is a matter of public record.
Uphiko oluphenya amacala omphakathi NPA luthi selihlanganise ubufakazi obuqinile ecaleni elibhekene noKodwa.
We can confirm that the investigations have been concluded, hence we are ready as the state to disclose the contents of the docket to the accused through their attorneys.
Kusenjalo dabeni lokusula kukaKodwa ubuholi beNC buthi umthetho ngaphakathi eqenjini wokwehla esikhundleni kwabantu ababhekene namacala ezinkantolo uzosebenza nasecaleni likaKodwa.
Even in the case of Zizi Kodwa, the rule of law must gain traction, and the step-aside police of the ANC is going to be kicking in immediately.
Icala lihlehliselwe umhlazi ngama-23 kuNtulikazi.